Hey y'all, and welcome to part 2 of the Christmas Clean and Decorate series. I'll leave part 1 at the end of this video. That video, we decorated the Christmas tree, and in this video, we are going to be decorating the kitchen. I have 2 DIYs that I'm going to share with y'all. One of them is going to be a centerpiece for the kitchen table, and the other one is just going to be a little floral arrangement that I did for the counter space in our kitchen. And then I've got a few other pieces of decor. So I do pretty minimal because our home is small. So I like to do just a few things and make sure that those things stand out. That way I still get all of the Christmas spirit without cluttering up my home. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like Christmas decorating or homemaking videos, home updates, then hit that subscribe button because we're going to be doing a lot of that on this channel up until the new year. So I'm super excited. I post videos every day, so Vlogmas is definitely happening. They won't necessarily be vlogs, but I will be posting Christmas theme related videos for the rest of the year. So hopefully y'all had a great Thanksgiving or whatever you celebrate during this time of year. And we're just going to finish cleaning up in the kitchen, and then I'm going to start on this centerpiece. I also wanted to say that Rose Forever New York sent me another set of their roses. I cannot wait to share that with y'all. I have shared their roses for a few years now, or a few times anyways, and they stand the test of time. The ones I'm going to show y'all are new, but then I'm also going to show y'all some that I've had for over a year now, just so you can see how long they really do last and keep their shape and everything. Alright, y'all. Rose Forever has just blew my mind. They're giving y'all $40 off with my discount code KimiCope40. That is such a huge deal. Plus, they're having a huge Black Friday sale. So, these are the new roses that I just got in the mail. Absolutely gorgeous. They're in the velvet box. That's my favorite. And these white ones are from a year ago, maybe even longer than that. These roses last so long and they hold up well too. So the ones that are over a year old still look just good as new. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing this arrangement. I put the lid on the bottom there just to give the roses more height. But let me share with y'all a little bit about Rose Forever New York. They're based in um, New York, and the brand launched in 2019. They design luxury rose boxes with natural roses that will last for a year as if being freshly picked. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional flower artisans, which I think is so cool. All the materials they use to cover the boxes are vegan, even the pink suede and black velvet. Their preserved roses in special colors, violet, black, and royal blue, are created through a natural process of pigmentation to keep the rich, intense shade, and are allergen free. So there's enormous selection of choices of rose colors, box shapes, or materials, so you just have to find your own perfect combination for your interior design. So they have so many different ones to choose from. They also have different shapes to choose from and textures. So I have the black velvet, and then there is the pink suede, which I think would look gorgeous for Valentine's Day. To have the red and pink, oh my gosh. And because they are getting $40 off, this is such a good deal. Like, I normally don't get that excited, but $40 when these, I think the ones I have were 96, plus they have their Black Friday sale going on. Like, this is just amazing. So if you've never bought Rose Forever flowers, now is the time. I sound like an infomercial, but like now literally is the time because they are on such a good deal and they do last a very long time and they stay fresh and they smell wonderful, by the way. Like, I don't know if y'all think that they may not have a smell, but they smell just like roses. So I was tinkering to see if I wanted to use the white ones too, and I decided I may use them, but I'm not going to use them in the kitchen. But look how beautiful this turned out. And I can use these flowers years after year and they will still look beautiful because of how they're preserved and they're just meant to last. So if you're someone like me that likes to buy flowers all the time at the grocery store, this is a beautiful alternative, and it's going to save you a lot of money because you just buy it once and then you can use it again and again. So I love how this turned out with all the ornaments around it. We're doing like a cabin theme. So that's why I have like a ton of antlers, even on the Christmas tree. We've got like acorns, pine cones, and the reindeer. So now I have these little hats, Santa hats for the chair. I just have two of them. I got those, I believe, at Dollar Tree. By the way, we went into Dollar Tree yesterday to get the peel and stick for our backsplash, and they had so much Christmas decor. It was crazy. It was just everywhere. So if you are still looking for some things to decorate with, Dollar Tree, like half the store was just Christmas decorations. Y'all know in North Carolina they have the largest Dollar Tree, and I've never been there. I think it's over an hour away from me, but as much as I go to Dollar Tree, I should go there one day. I think it would be worth the trip, and we could film like a Dollar Tree shop with me because I've only ever seen I think her name's Catherine from Do It on a Dime. And when I watched her video, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta go there. So I'm just removing the boo boo. Does it say boo boo? Probably just says boo. I was talking to my sister yesterday and she calls my nephews boo boos. Anyways, so we're gonna put the Christmas one down, which is also a deer. So pretty. Love the little garland on the antlers. This was from Ollie's for $8.99. And now I'm over here in the corner. I'm going to play with this thing for a while until I get it all figured out. But I didn't like how the little branches were kind of really down far in my mason jar. So I ended up taking all of this out, putting a couple ornaments down there, which looked cute anyways. That way I had a little bit of a lift so I could put my greenery up much higher. And I just got these from outside. One of my friends told me it was a cedar wood tree. So these are cedar wood branches. So cute. I love using things from outside, just bringing nature in. It's one of my favorite things to do. I'm gonna get the rest of the kitchen cleaned up. That way I can just walk around and show y'all everything and kind of talk to you in person. Alright, y'all, we're still partially Thanksgiving decor in here, but I'm just doing little bits of Christmas, and I can't wait to show y'all like a Christmas home tour once I'm done with everything, because I'm sure there will be some like decorating I do off camera. Like there's a tablecloth that I actually have that I would like to go there, possibly instead of that one. It's a plaid. I think it could look really cute with red and green. But yeah, so over here we got our little Christmas cup snowman going on. Still got my little leaves right there. I may keep them, I may not, I don't know. If I keep them, I'm probably gonna get some red ribbon from Dollar Tree and just tie a bow on there. What else we got? Happy holidays. This little tin I have had since the very first Christmas video I ever did, so you will see it. I think it's even in like my first video, I don't know. And then this is so cute. I love doing stuff like this because it's just funky and you can really make it your own, so nobody else has one like it. I just find that special. So I stuck that tree behind there because I thought he looked cute that way. Got these right here. She's used to, I put her box down there, but I'm gonna put it back on the table. I just wanted to move it so y'all could see everything. I've got my phone charger, and this is going in the bathroom with me in a minute. I love how this flower arrangement turned out. Super cute. Definitely check out Rose Forever in New York. They are such a good company, and I love their roses because they really do last forever. Oh my goodness, kitty. We don't eat at this table, I promise. But the flowers really do last a long time. I had those white flowers for over a year now, and they still look good as new. So it's almost like an investment. And y'all know I used to go through a lot of flowers each week. So especially if you like having flowers in your house that are alive, this is just a way that they preserve the flowers so that they last a lot longer. So, you know, if you buy flowers once a week, I would highly recommend looking into this, because then you won't have to buy them once a week at all. Forgot about this floor mat down here that we just bought at Ollie's. super cute. Oh, that's something else I want to do is go, like, I didn't even look through my bins today. I just kind of pulled some stuff that was loose. But I do want to switch these out and add 2 more hooks because I actually have 4 Christmas aprons that I'm going to be putting over there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another one. Bye!